What's up, guys? I got the Saab lifted up already, and we're going to be installing this Whiteline front sway bar today, so I'll kind of walk you through that. From what I can tell, we got about maybe 6 bolts to drop this subframe here, and then we got one more right there, the jacks on it. We got to drop that, and then we should be able to get our sway bar in there. There were the 2 front bolts there right underneath the radiator, and then you can go ahead and copy that on the other side here on the driver's side. Alright, it wasn't dropping down too easy for me. I just found a hidden bolt here, so you kind of gotta peel this cover back a little bit, and then your bolt is this one right here. There's the front subframe, and then once you get that off, there's about 4 more bolts on a little bracket, and then we should have access. Looks like there's about 2 more bolts that I missed here. Now that we got the old bracket off, we've just got a handful more bolts left that are all on the sway bar to get that off. So we got 2 for each of the bushings, and then 1 for each of the end links here. Here's the old bar and the new bar side by side. You can see the new one's a little bit thicker, give us a little less roll. Before I go ahead and get this installed, a lot of people are going to ask, which hole do I put the bolt through for the setting that I want, and this is the 22mm bar. So basically you got 22mm right in the middle here, and then either bolt is going to be plus or minus 0.5mm. So we want to use the shortest distance to the bolt from the bushing for the stiffer setting, and the farther bolt from the bushing for the softer setting. So essentially you've got 22.5 and 21.5. Now we've got the bar installed and the first bracket back in place up here. Everything went in pretty smoothly. The bolts fit just fine. No fitment issues at all. I went with the stiffest setting here. We'll see how I like that though. Putting this subframe back on can be a little bit difficult by yourself, but if you get yourself a 5-gallon bucket and just prop that end up over there, I got my first bolt started right here, and you should be good to go from there. Alright, the sway bar is on the car, and we're out on a test drive. It is feeling pretty good. It's very responsive. I'd say the biggest thing that I noticed is the front end used to have this kind of rocking back and forth when you got the front end of the car unsettled, and it seems to not do that anymore, or to a lesser degree it just bounces right back to where it was. So I'm liking that a lot. Hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. And if you have never purchased from Whiteline before and would like to, I have a referral code in the description that'll save you a bit of money. Thanks.